1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
I tell my mind.
Woo! Alright guys, so as I was doing some serious editing this morning about 5 a.m. it occurred to me in my last video I did you guys a disservice or an injustice by not giving that accident video enough attention. And what I mean is, you know, I played it off as really no big deal, but I want to look at that scenario one more time, more as a public service announcement, because you know part of this channel is making. Oh, excuse me, guys. Is making the public aware that we're out there. We're just a bunch of normal guys and girls and ladies that are just trying to share the road. And the reason we get upset when you're texting and driving is like this video right here. Play it again. Now, what you're watching, in and of itself, not a big deal. Minor fender bender. Doesn't look like there's really any damage to speak of, which is all good. Sorry, I got my choke on, guys. So I want to look at that one more time through a different lens. Now, instead of this silver car, white, I don't remember as I'm shooting this video, put in place there now any motorcycle, any variety, does not matter. And you have this semi-mundane person texting behind you. Again, not in and of itself, not a big deal. Let's get off the highway. Get this baby warmed up. So any motorcycle, and that person is likely seriously injured. He's definitely going to get knocked from his bike because he's not going to see you coming. Which reminds me, you guys, as you're riding, don't lose some of those basics. Checking your mirrors all the time for idiots exactly like that. Give some taps, keep your hand on the brake, all that fun stuff. Now today, I should not be out riding. It is windy. I got thunderstorms rolling in, but to be honest, just can't stay away from the ride too long. Now I'm going to show another video right up here of the exact type of scenario I'm talking about, which is what can happen if that was a motorcycle instead. And why it's important to be checking your mirrors. An important lane position. So next time you're texting and driving, seemingly like, oh, I'm at a stoplight, no big deal. Start to think, you know, is that if that was a pedestrian or a rider in front of you.
Now, usually I don't do this, but go ahead on, break them off with a little previews of the remix.
Give me that toot toot, beep beep. So that's really all I wanted to say about that. But like I said before, guys, I really didn't give that video, you know, the real fine eye like it should. And start to think, you know, what other scenarios could have come to that? A seemingly mundane accident probably didn't change the outcome of that person's life for a second. He was delayed for an hour while he had to get each other's insurance information. I'm sure slightly annoyed because you might have to bring it to a body shop for some touch-up. But at the end of the day, everyone walked away unscathed. No major life changes. But if that were a motorcycle, you're talking a drastically different scenario. One with a, you know, hopefully just knocks the rider from his bike. Chances are you're gonna get some road rash, things like that.
Busted down in Lufkin.
Hopefully not seriously injured, but every once in a while you do hear about that rider who gets killed going 5 miles an hour. So if you guys haven't already, please subscribe. I would much appreciate it. Hit that bell, bing, if you want some new content. Tell me what you think about this new camera angle. I have shot about 10 videos in a row with this camera, none of which turned out very well. So give me the thumbs up, give me the thumbs down on the old new camera angle. Because I'm thinking about running 24/7 once I can get it dialed in to actually capture my beautiful face. Note, safety tip for all you beginner riders out there: don't drive like this. It's a bad habit.